Alright guys, today I'm basically going to take my riding test at DMV. This is where in California. I had to go back home. I had to go back home because apparently my AGV helmet, I don't know, for some reason the sticker fell off. So they're looking for that, and then there was no sticker inside the helmet somewhere that shows it's a DOT compliant or ECE. Normally DOT, it's US. So I had to go back home, get my belt bullet. Luckily this one's here, can't remove it, so I'm gonna go back and do the test. I hope I pass. Sometimes I get too nervous, especially if someone's looking at you, you know. But hey, it is what it is. I gotta do it one way or another. Or I could take the safety courses, which really didn't want to do. I could learn myself. I've ridden before, but that's when I was really young, at the age of 10, 11 maybe, I think it was. Maybe it could be 9. So I rode a really little tiny motorcycle. Yeah, there's shifting gears and all that. I'm familiar with it. I've been driving with manual cars all my life. So pretty comfortable with riding with it. Yeah, definitely something that you need to practice, especially if you're a new rider. I would recommend to practice every weekend whenever you get a chance, you know, get the cones and all that stuff. There's a couple of websites that I recommend. It's the Dan the Fireman. Buy his books, definitely will help you out, especially on slow speeds. He sells those the booklet on what you need to do, arrange those cones accordingly. It goes from easy to medium to hard to expert. That's something I would probably recommend to do. We do that every Sunday. A couple of our friends, and yeah, just practice slow speeds. Definitely, yeah, it is easy to ride a motorcycle. For the first time, sometimes it could be intimidating, especially riding a heavier bike. And that's why a lot of people, they do recommend, especially online, they recommend a lighter bike, lower cc, better. Basically you can handle it, maneuver a lot better. I did buy a BMW R9T, which is honestly one of the heaviest bikes. Not really heavy compared to like Harleys and all that. It is a 1200cc, so yeah, it's on the heavy spectrum. It's 480 pounds wet, I believe. I did take out some of the stuff here already, so probably a little, maybe I'm at 450 wet. Still heavy compared to other sport bikes and all that stuff. So yeah, we'll see if I pass. Hoping I do, but never know. I can get so nervous and get out of the line. Luckily DMV is really close to my house, so I can just go back. If I fail, I gotta pay again, so it's not a problem. Again, I don't do well under pressure. I may fail this one. If I do, whatever. The worst case scenario, I'm gonna go take the MSF course, which I'm pretty much familiar with it now, because that's what we do every Sunday. Kind of do a test run, turns, and all the other stuff. So we'll see. Whew. I'm wearing my Alpine Store Tech Air 5, just a sweater underneath it. Oh god, this is hot. 78 degrees right now, but damn, this is hot. Hey, better be safe. You know, you can sweat, like they said. Sweat in or sweat in blood, right? I'd take this one over blood. All right, after this, I don't know. Tomorrow I'm planning to go to San Clemente. Basically just to check the South Cars and Coffee. Hoping everything is good there. As far as fighting wise, last video I made, yeah, definitely check my videos. I don't know, you'll probably find a fight that occurred there several months back. So it was stupid stuff, you know. Yeah, anyways, should be good. We're here. I'm not sure if I'm gonna record or they're gonna allow me, but we'll see. Dude, motherfucker's so fast. Blue light? Is that really still a thing? Crazy. Oh boy. I do hate when it's hot. Damn, I knew it. It's gonna be busy. I was here at 9. They were supposed to take 9:30, something like that. Supposed to take the drive test at that point, but I guess I have to wait. Alright guys, if you guys want to take the motorcycle test, this is something that you guys need to pass other than the written test. So you're gonna need to do this lollipop test, which every DMV has it in California. Pretty easy depending on the bike that you're using, whether if it's a lighter bike or a heavier bike. So I'm riding on a BMW R9T. Definitely is a little bit on the heavy side, especially in coming here if you're not comfortable. I mean, I'm still learning. So I just got a gas on this one yesterday, so probably around, I know this one's wet, 480 plus pounds, so pretty heavy, but it's doable. And I also have my handlebar. Basically I replaced the riser handlebar that comes with this OEM. I replaced it with a clip-on, so it's a little bit harder to maneuver, especially when you're new. I'm actually still new, but not too, you know, a little experience, and that's it. But here I'll show you. I'm probably not going to be showing you the perfect way or anything like that, but this is how it is. So you gotta make sure that you're in between the line, you don't pass the line. Your rear tire can go out as long as your front tire, make sure that it's in the middle. And you turn, you always want to look ahead. So make sure that turn is perfect, always in the middle, nothing too crazy, just slow speed. Now if you're riding on a heavier bike, yeah, definitely it's going to scare you a little bit, because there you go. Wow, that was perfect. So definitely something you always want to try and, you know, practice. So I'm gonna do on the other side. I'm gonna do the left hand side to make sure. Here we go. Stop from here, and then DMV is going to ask you to go whenever you're ready. You cannot put your feet down, and you cannot get out of the line. So if you put your feet down, you're immediately failed. You don't pass it. You're gonna have to try it again on the next other day. So I'll show you here again one more time on the left hand side. Make sure you have enough gas. Your clutch basically just enough. You're just riding. Say I'm going really slow. I'm probably not gonna make it because I'm not making enough gas. Oh wait, no, never mind. See how it is? Pretty good. Alright. Yeah, I mean, when you exit, you don't go that fast. You just go slow. And then I'm gonna do the middle section now. Now you're gonna have to pretend you start on the right side for the middle. See, if you see those yellow dots, so that's supposed to be cones. So that's supposed to be cones. Now you're gonna go in and out, zigzagging those, and then you come out the same way again, zigzag. Okay, right here. Well, I'm going too fast. Now I'm doing the brake. I'm going to circle again. You gotta go circle twice, always twice. You always look ahead. Okay, that's perfect. Alright guys, that is the test for DMV. Here are my friends over here on the right side. They're doing slow speeds. They're new riders, not too new. They're pretty much familiar with their bikes. However, they still continue to practice daily to get the comfortability and making that slow turns and all that stuff. So anyway, alright guys, I'll see you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. For some reason my bike wasn't, I don't know, it was weird. Normally it doesn't happen to me. So when I'm riding, I was about right on the clutch and brake. However, it was about to stall. I had to give it a little bit more gas than usual, which I wasn't really prepared to do that on the testing time. So but anyways, yeah, it was good. It was easy. You know, always careful when you're riding. Make sure you always prepare. Watch out every single corner like this. Who knows, some idiot ones can just go ahead and pass and run that red light. Always look behind as well too. But anyways, yeah, I passed. It's a really easy test, to be honest with you. But I mean, if you're a beginner and you go straight to that roundabout, it's called the lollipop test for DMV. Yeah, a lot of people, they fail it, and other reasons why they just go straight, take the MSF course, because yeah, definitely that's easier for them, I guess. You do have to pay a lot though, which is in my area is like $350 for the MSF course, so that's another thing. And I had it on road mode when I was on testing, because that's mainly what I was used to riding. If I have the dynamic, yeah, throttle control, it definitely changes a lot. So for some reason, I don't know, maybe I was just letting go of the clutch a lot earlier. It almost stalled on me, but I was in the line, had no issues with the cones, zigzagging it. I don't know if you guys know, if you get a permit, motorcycle permit in California, you have, you can only ride on the street, you cannot have a passenger, and also you cannot ride on the freeway. So those are the three things that you cannot do when you're riding a permit. So that's why I wasn't even been able to gone on the freeway and ride around town. So if you ever decide to get a motorcycle license, yeah, it's easy. I highly recommend. I mean, depending how comfortable you are, get a lighter bike. But over time, right away, you're probably going to get used to it, and you're like, damn, I wish I got a bigger bike. It does feel different when you're on the freeway. When you're riding, it's a lot more stable, so, basically, you know. So that's the only thing that I would recommend. But if you're really not too comfortable with motorcycle, yeah, definitely get a light bike. But if you are really, you know, just make sure you have that confidence in you that you can handle a heavier bike. One little mistake, yeah, you'll drop it. It's a little intimidating. It is heavier, especially if you're new. But I got used to it now. You know, I started off, this is my first bike, BMW R9T, is a 2021 model with the option 719. So, and that's because I really just didn't want to buy another bike once I get used to it. So that's the reason why. But yeah, pretty simple test. Again, if you're new, probably not going to be able to say that's going to be simple. Or alright, I'm home. See you guys. Thanks. Subscribe and like if you like it.